Good afternoon, everyone. The session is about to begin. Before we start, we'll mark your attendance so that we don't miss anyone who is joining the meeting. What I'll do is I'll read out the names who have joined the meeting, and if I have missed anyone, you can call your name out. Gayan Wickramaге, Shamini Atukorala, Ramya Wickramasinghe,
Yes.
Ravin Hanwella, Romesh De Silva, Hiran Vikramanayaka, Jodi Livera, Laya Alas, Manju Alahakon, Rohana Pereira, Ajita Edirimanna, Hiran Valibitigoda, Hiranthi De Silva, Inoka Dias, Jairat Edirisinghe, Kanta Kumari Abru, Kevin De Silva, Kumudu Jaya Vikrama, Marcel Bandaranaike, Nilan Herath, Pandula Bandara, Ranmali Kirinde, Rohana Pereira, Sandeep Ellawala, Sanjay Veerasinghe, Sapumal Hewawasam, Sara Tathuraliya, and Varuni De Silva. Have I missed anyone?
Yes, Mala Sudave.
Right.
Thank you, Naomi. Good afternoon, everyone. Warm welcome to the 114th Annual General Meeting of the Photographic Society of Sri Lanka, which we have fondly learned to call as PSSL over the years. As we are about to commence today's proceedings, may I please ask all of you to put your microphones on mute so that we have full attention for today's forum. Thank you. As most of you are aware, the Photographic Society's rich and long history is traced back to the year 1906, when the Amateur Photographic Society of Ceylon was formed by Henry Lorenz Wendt, the father of Lionel Wendt, to whom we are very deeply indebted for having formed the society. From then onwards, the society has continued to be at the pinnacle of photographic activities in Sri Lanka. In 1934, the society was renamed as the Photographic Society of Ceylon by Lionel Wendt, who continued the work begun by his father, along with a small group of photography enthusiasts. They had regular meetings at his residence until the society was later housed at the Lionel Wendt Art Center since the 1950s. PSSL thus became the only society of photography in Sri Lanka to have its own studio, office and darkroom facilities, and has held in its rank some of the country's best known pioneers who have contributed immensely to its success over the years. The society continues to provide training and education facilities to members and all photography enthusiasts through classes, workshops, field excursions, and guest presentations conducted regularly by some of the most renowned photographers in the country. Despite having been challenged by the pandemic last year, the society also somehow continued its membership activities, moving virtual and still trying to keep its members together. And with that pride at heart, let me invite Shamini Atukorala, the president of PSSL, to call the meeting to order. Over to you, Shamini.
Thank you very much, Inoka. The notice of the 114th Annual General Meeting has been circulated, and you would have already received it and gone through it. So I would now like to call the meeting in order. The next item is to go through the excuses that we have received. We have received the excuse from Mr. Janaka Heva Vitarana. I would like to check with Naomi whether we have received any last minute notifications.
No, nothing, Shamini.
Okay, so we have got only one excuse. Moving on to the next item in the agenda, we are announcing with deep regret the demise of one of our PSSL members, Mr. J.J. Ambani. I would like to request all of you to observe a moment of silence in tribute of Mr. Ambani. Thank you. Next in the agenda is reading and confirmation of the previous AGM minutes. We will not read the minutes at the AGM because we have already circulated the minutes to all of you. So if you do not have any thing to raise in the minutes, I would like to request for a proposer and a seconder for it.
I propose the minutes.
Thank you, Romesh. So Romesh proposes the minutes. Anyone to second?
I would like to second it. I'm Ramya.
Thank you, Ramya. So the next item in the agenda is the general committee report. It has been already circulated to you. You have already gone through it, and also and Naomi is ready with the presentation. Naomi, over to you to go through your presentation.
Thank you, Shamini. Good afternoon again, everyone. I just start with my presentation. So it was started exactly 1 year ago, and the society had its very first virtual annual general meeting on the 27th of June 2020. And at the annual general meeting, these members were appointed as the EXCO, Shamini Atukoral as the president, Ashan Fernando as the vice president, Ravindra Anasinghe as the secretary, Naomi Thomas as the assistant secretary, Gayan Wickramage treasurer, and as committee members, Romesh De Silva, Professor Ravin Hanwalda, Hiranthi De Silva, Hiranwali Vitigoda, Hiran Wickramanayaka, Ranmali Kirinde, and Laya Alas. And in addition, Ajita Edirimana was appointed as the company secretary. As we all know, 2020 was a difficult year for all of us, and none of us were able to physically meet, and most of our programs were, we had to hold them due to the pandemic. And we'll look at the report of the programs which is conducted by the society. We'll first look at the EXCO meetings. This is the attendance report of the EXCO. There were 14 meetings held, and the attendance report is given here. And Mr. Ravindra Anasinghe resigned from the post of secretary in September 2020. And according to the provision provided under 11.5 of Articles of the Association, the EXCO appointed me as the secretary from October onwards. And if you look at the membership, this is the breakdown of the membership as at March 2021. We have 3 already life members, 41 life members, 334 ordinary members, and in total 378 members. Members who defaulted subscription for more than 2 years, we had to sort of remove them from the membership in December last year. And due to the pandemic, we did not have many educational programs through which we recruit members, as well as we did not have many membership interviews. That's the reason for the drop in membership. And as approved at the annual general meeting 2020, PSSL Life membership was launched under 3 categories mentioned here. And since the launch of the Life membership in early this year, we have 4 Life members who have 4 members who have applied for Life membership and approved, and are Life members of the society at present. Then we come to the monthly members meeting of the society. Monthly members meeting is held every 2nd Tuesday of the month, and generally the meeting comprises of an update of past and upcoming events of the society and an interest group update, followed by a member or a guest presentation and an open forum. Let's look at the breakdown of the monthly meetings held during the last year. These are the presentations held during last year by members and guest presenters. And Capture This monthly competition is organized by the society. Now till 2020, this was a competition open only to the members of the society. But in 2021, the society decided to open the competition to all Sri Lankan citizens, and with an addition of another section, the competition is now held under 5 sections: assignment, color, open mono, nature and wildlife, and travel section. In order to increase the interest, we have introduced cash prizes in addition to the medals, PSSL medals offered for the winners. Sorry about the noise. And also, in addition to increase the quality of the competition, the EXCO decided to introduce a minimum points criteria. So in order to win medals for Capture This 2021, a participant has to accrue points like this. So for a participant to accrue, to be awarded a gold medal, 75% of total points for the season or above, and for a silver medal, 65% of the total points for the season or above, and for a bronze medal, 50% of the total points or above has to be accrued. And we started Capture This open judging in 2019, and in 2020 also it was carried out, as well as in 2021. Generally, open judging sessions are held online now, and every second and third Tuesdays. On the second Tuesday, assignment, open color, open mono, and travel section, and the third Tuesday, wildlife and nature section judging sessions are held. And I take this opportunity to thank our judges for their valuable time in judging this competition. Let's look at the photography workshops, excursions, presentations, and other member events. As I told you before, due to the pandemic, we could not do many workshops and we could not organize any excursions. However, the EXCO decided to organize few weekend presentations during the lockdown. So we had 5 weekend presentations as mentioned here. And in between the waves, we were able to organize a members' day out, which was held on 20th September, held in Mount Lavinia, and 22 members participated at this event. And there was a workshop in portrait photography organized by, held by Gayan Wickremege, and 7 participants joined this workshop, which was held on the 3rd of April. Then we come to PSSL interest groups. We have, with the addition of a new interest group, we have now 7 interest groups mentioned here, and I have mentioned the leaders as well. Wildlife and Nature group led by Hiranti De Silva, Glamour and Fashion group led by Hiran Wickramanayaka, Black and White group led by Ranmali Kirinde, Street photography group was led by Ravi Ranasinghe up to September 2020, and from November onwards it's led by Nilan Herath, and we have renamed the group as Street and Travel Photography Group. Analog film group is led by Romesh De Silva. Mobile photography group is led by Narada, Suresh and Praveen Samarkon together. And the newest group, creative group, is led by R.H. Samarkon. Let's look at the interest group activities. Wildlife at Nature group, they organize monthly meetings, and these are details of the meetings held last year. And later on, they started organizing a portfolio presentation, a series of portfolio presentations titled The Nature Lens, where the members of the Wildlife and Nature group sort of presented their portfolio to the members. And they have held 3 sessions as at date, and 6 members have presented their portfolios. And they managed to actually organize 3 excursions amidst the pandemic, and a 2-day tour to Singaraja, and 2 one-day outings to Deosuru Park and Thalangama Lake. And early this year, they organized an exhibition titled Wildlife and Nature Trails. And it was a very successful exhibition. We received 223 images from 45 members, out of which 60 images were selected by a panel of judges with 10 best images. And the images were exhibited at PSSL with an opening ceremony held on the 27th of March this year. And these are few images from the opening ceremony. And these are few images exhibited at the exhibition. Then we come to Glamour and Fashion Group. Glamour and Fashion Group is mostly into outdoor shootings, and they could not organize many outings due to the current situation. And they managed to organize these 3 outings and 1 member presentation held by Oshada and Samira Kotilawala. These are few images from one of the outings. And we come to Black and White Group. Black and White Group organized 4 events last year, or 4 online events, traveling in black and white, the mystery of black and white, and 1 image critic session, and one session where they discussed which was a panel discussion about the award-winning photographs at the 65th International Exhibition. Then we come to Street and Travel Photography Group. They had 5 meetings in 2020, and 6 meetings in this year. They meet every last Friday of the month. At the monthly meeting, they organize either a member presentation or a guest presentation. And these are the details of the meetings. And in addition to the monthly meetings, they organized another panel discussion on 65th International Competition, the winning images under travel section, which was held in January. Also, they organized 2 excursions, one to Kandy and 1 night excursion in Colombo. Creative Group is the newest group of the society, and they held 6 monthly meetings in year 2020, including the inaugural session, and another 4 monthly meetings in year 2021, as indicated here. And in addition to the monthly meetings, they organize various challenges and workshops to be held online and via their Facebook group. Then we come to the 65th International Competition of PSSL 65th International Competition of Photography and Exhibition. This was actually the best exhibition, the competition held at PSSL in its future, in its history. 6,726 images from 505 participants across 68 countries were received for the exhibition. And I take this opportunity to thank the panel of judges for their contribution towards the exhibition. And the judging was held as 100% online judging with a new platform. And then we come to web and social media update. Let's look at the web and social media presence of the society. So we have two Facebook groups, one open to anyone and one open only to the members of the society, and also an Instagram handle and the website pssl.lk. We have relaunched the website with a facelift, and there are many additional features available. And when you have a minute, I invite you to go to the website and look at these new features. In addition to that, the society has a LinkedIn group, also a YouTube page where we upload all our online sessions. And the newest addition to the PSSL website is the PSSL Image Gallery, where the photo enthusiasts are able to store all their images in one place for anyone in the world to see. The link to the gallery is given below, and you can pay your membership fee and open your page at the PSSL Image Gallery. Silk Road Youth International Photography Competition was organized by Photo Beijing, and through PSSL we submitted images from locals to the competition, and we are happy to announce that under two groups we won one gold award and one silver award, as indicated here. And in addition to that, we won 4 excellence awards under two groups again. And at this exhibition, the society was recognized as the best organization. And Me and My Sri Lanka Photography Competition is the newest photography competition PSSL is organizing with the Sri Lanka Association of Inbound Tour Operators. And we have been promoting this exhibition, the competition, through our social media and emailings. And the deadline for the competition will be the 29th of this month. And judging process of the competition also will be facilitated by the society. So that is the update on the society activities, and I take this opportunity to thank the patron and all the EXCO members for their support during last year. And Mrs. Ajita Idrimani, she is always willing to help at any time. And judges of the PSSL International Competition, monthly member competition, and capture this competition. And Mr. Mahinda Jivananda for his creative work, Mr. Pandula Bandara for the promotional material, and those all those who were present at the monthly meetings and other events. And special thanks to Ms. Ruini Gunawardana for all her assistance, and all the members for their continued support. Thank you.
Thank you, Naomi. We have to propose and second the general committee report. Can I have a proposer and a seconder, please?
I shall propose that we accept it.
Okay, Laya. Thank you, Laya.
I second it.
Thank you, Nilan. So we have circulated the statement of accounts, audited accounts for the period ended 31st December 2020. I hope all of you have gone through it, and may I have a proposer and seconder for it as well.
Propose it.
Can I have the name, please?
Suresh.
Thank you, Suresh. May I have a seconder of account? May I have a seconder for the statement of accounts for the period of 31st December 2020?
I'd like to second it. This is Jailat.
Thank you. I would now like to hand over the floor to Inoka.
Thank you, Shamini. So with that line of the proceedings, we have something up next that is of immense value to the society. This is a felicitation of 75 years of being a PSSL member, and that is our own patron, Mr. Jody Livera. May I please invite Romesh to take on the proceedings of that felicitation now.
Okay, thank you, Inoka. I hope my audio is clear. As she says, this year marks a very unique and a special occasion for PSSL. And we have with us Mr. Jody Livera, who has been associated with the society for 75 years, having joined the society in 1946 as a schoolboy. So a very warm welcome, Mr. Livera, patron of PSSL and honorary life member. 75 years as a member. I think it, let alone at PSSL, I'm quite sure that this must be some sort of a world record that should be checked with the Guinness Book of Records. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, I wasn't aware that I'd been a member for 75 years. It's a long time. And there it is.
I know. There it is. So you joined the society as a schoolboy in 1946, am I right?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
1946. So how did that happen, if you can recall?
It just started by being interested. Yeah, at that time I was depending on Chitra Photo, Bertie Veeravodara, to develop and enlarge my 35. No, at that time it was 12 quarter by 12 quarter photographs.
You had a Rolleiflex at that time, did you?
Yeah, yeah. And that was very messy, you know. It's a type of thing that you have to carry around, and, you know, it's not as convenient as a 35. But when I started my 35, I decided to have my own dark room at home. That is in Stafford Place, which belonged to my late father. And it went on from there. And yeah, once I really got into it, I was virtually sold, and the intricacies of using a 35mm
camera.
And yeah, it was clearly the Leica that put me on to the 35mm. And it was nice to be able to do something that at that time was really unusual, which was to show a camera which was so small in its eventual film
Yeah, it's quite
size.
a huge.
And from then on, of course, I had so many of my friends, Dati Saradak included, who would, I mean, we together on many photographic excursions, where I had, at 21 years, I was given a gift of a Riley 2.5-liter car by my
Right.
father. And he and I, Dudley and I, used to go around the areas around where the parliament is right now. And we had a bit of a time. There was an instance when he was so enamored of the photographic scene that we had captured
Yeah.
earlier on during the day, that he stayed over for dinner at Rendlesham, which was the house where I lived and where I had the dark room. And he actually stayed with me right up into the early hours of the morning, 2 or 3 o'clock, till I had enlarged some of his photos. It was rather fun.
It's amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
So both of you used a Leica. He also had a Leica 3 like you?
See, he saw me using the Leica when he saw me at Titus Stores. And he really came there because he wanted to buy a vacuum jar, which we were marketing at that time, this sort of bell-shaped jar, which you pump out the air, and that keeps the fungus away from lenses.
All right.
And it was rather fun. And I might also mention that his dad, D.S. Sardaka, and I used to ride on horseback on Golfers Green.
Right.
Amazing. They used to
Yes,
call me Sana, and never forget. And it was a pity that he died because he was not really sitting himself in the saddle as he should, with his knees towards the ribs of the horse. He used to ride with his legs akimbo, and he paid the final price, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I
it was
recall you
unbelievable.
mentioning that you were there on that particular day, isn't it? And what happened?
No,
Am I
that
right?
was the day that he
He
fell
fell
off
off
the
the
horse.
horse. Yeah.
But I was there a few days before because I didn't used to go daily. But the reports that I had was that a lorry backfired somewhere near the Colombo Club, which is now the
Taj Samudra.
I mean, there are some words which don't click as they should always.
Yeah. Now it's the Taj Samudra.
Is price of age, and but so far I'm reasonably fit, except for a lack of my sense of balance, which has been bugging me for about 6 months. But I've so far been avoiding any major injury. But there it is. I don't go to office anymore.
Okay. Mr. Deliverer, just if you can recall, you told me once that you all used to meet. You joined the society actually just 1 year after Lionel Wayne's death.
Correct.
And you recall meeting at Lionel Wayne's house before the memorial was built.
Yeah.
And that you were also instrumental in some design work of the current studio that the PSSL is using. Am I right?
Obvious, yeah. I mean, those windows on top, for their existence to be, there's a long line of windows. At that time, there was no air conditioning. So it was all a matter of convectional ventilation. And I was responsible for designing and implementing the methodology, in other words, to be able to open the windows from the corridor.
Right. I think the windows are still there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So So that's great. I mean, you've still been with us and you've been a great friend of the society. You've stepped up when we needed you in all occasions, and that is wonderful. So before we close off, tell us something about your family. I think one of your sons is managing Titus stores. And what about Rohan? What is he doing these days?
Rohan was into music from his very young years. And I was hoping that he will make the grade. And he did about a month ago, I think a little, probably, yes, a few weeks ago. And his music was, is even now being played on Singapore Airlines flights. And amazing, I'm very, very happy because it really was instrumental in projecting him into the composer's world, after which he's having a number of very big names, both in the States and in England, where he lives. He lives in Nottingham, inquiring,
About
to
his
contract
work.
him for his music.
Right. Okay. So that's great. So that is Rohan de Oliveira. So that's great. So thank you, Mr. de Oliveira, for once again for taking the time and joining this meeting. And on behalf of the society, we wish you very well, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Okay. Over to you, Inoka.
Thank you, Romesh, and thank you very much, Mr. de Oliveira, for being here today. Congratulations on behalf of the society for your patronage, as well as the long years you've been with the society, and we wish you nothing but good health. And we're extremely proud to have had you here today. With that, I would like to hand over the proceedings to Shamini to deliver the President's address.
Thank you, Inoka. Patron, Mr. Joe de Oliveira, honorary life members, ordinary members, and members of the Executive Committee. First of all, I would like to congratulate our patron, Mr. Joe de Oliveira, for completing 75 years as a member of PSSL. We just now heard him sharing his memories of joining the society. Most of all, you have been a pillar of strength to us, Mr. Oliveira. Thank you for your continued support every year and for many years to come. What an unprecedented year we had. One virtual AGM to another. With all these restrictions and challenges due to the pandemic, we still managed to connect with all of you via Zoom and carry out our regular meetings and presentations. You just saw how packed our activity calendar for the past 12 months. This came as a blessing for those of you who live out of Colombo and in other countries. The key highlight of all these activities is that we provided the opportunity for our membership, most of our members to share their work, be it at monthly meetings or be it at interest group meetings. Now I take the opportunity to recognize some of the members, non-members who have contributed, who have supported our activities during the past 12 months, because I think it's important to recognize all of them, although it has been already mentioned in the General Committee report. So when we took over the reins on the 27th of June last year, so capture this 2019-2020 session is in its halfway through. So from June onwards up till the end of October, we had the open judging session, and I would like to thank Mr. Rajakarna, Mr. Bandhu Gunaratna, Mr. Ravi Ransingh, Mr. Romesh de Silva, and Ms. Hiranthi de Silva for their contribution as the judges. And for the season 2021, as Naomi said that we now have opened the Capture This competition to the non-members as well. And for this season, we have got several of our members, non-members volunteering to judge. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you. Your valuable time and contribution in judging past 6 months competition was invaluable. So I would like to recognize Mr. Mahendra Jivananda, Mrs. Varni De Silva, Mr. Romesh De Silva for judging all sections except for wildlife. And for wildlife, we have Ms. Archana Singh from India, Mr. Mivan Piyasena, Mr. Melinda Sirivardhana, Mr. Dushanta Silva, Mr. Masa Bandaranaike, and Ms. Hiranti De Silva, carrying out the wildlife judging sessions. And thank you so much. Also, as you know, we have now 7 interest groups. And in that, we had the previous year's leaders continuing for the current year as well. And also we had new leaders taking on the responsibility for three of the groups. So I like to thank Suresh Narada and Praveen for continuing to manage the mobile photography group and keeping the engagement going in the WhatsApp group, and Romesh for managing the analog film group. Hiran, Vikramanayaka, Ranmali, thank you for having those sessions and carrying out the activities of Fashion and Glamour and Black and White group, even during the pandemic. Then the other groups that we had the leadership changes was the wildlife and street and travel photography. So I'll first take a moment to recognize the activities carried out and the leadership provided by Hiranti. Hiranti, you did an amazing job this year managing the wildlife and nature group and bringing back the engagement of the members. It was great to see that every month you had group meetings and supported your membership to showcase their work, and also managing few excursions, and also the highlight of the activities were having this exhibition in March. So I know, as mentioned earlier, that it had an overwhelming response and support from the group. Thank you very much for putting it together. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the team who supported you to make this event a reality. And that gave me an opportunity as a president to engage in at least one of the activities that we had only 2 physical activities, and this was one of the activities that I managed to get an opportunity to interact with the membership. Nilan, you took over from Ravi when he stepped down around October. You did an excellent job in managing street and travel group, and I know it was something out of your comfort zone. And this is one of the interest groups which managed to hold monthly meetings continuously. I also would like to recognize the support team that Nilan had, because I think it's important us to recognize these members work behind the scene. And they are Roshan Razik, Sandeep Ellavala, Santosh Amarasuriya, and Jailas Edirisinghe, and they supported Nilan to carry out the group activities. The newest addition, where we declared at the last AGM, the addition of creative group under the leadership of Sam Samrakon. Although it was a new group, it had many activities and high member engagement. And it was great to see members of the group trying out various techniques to improve their creativity. Thank you, Sam, for your excellent leadership. As Naomi said in her general committee report, we had a record-breaking international competition this year. The 65th was a record-breaking one, even despite the pandemic. So Romesh and the team who managed the competition did an excellent job. And I would like to recognize Mahinda and Pandula for their continued support for our competition. And however, I'm a bit disappointed that we didn't get a chance to do the award ceremony because of the pandemic situation. We thought that we will be able to open the, we will be able to plan something in June, but with the third wave that got postponed. So that's something that the incoming committee needs to close. Other than that, I think it was a successful event. I will not go on, and so, but I just want to recognize few other individuals. And also, before I'm moving to them, and I also want to thank all the members. I know it was a difficult year, but your support as a participant, as a contributor for our monthly activities was, I think it was a great support to keep the society activities to be live and relevant. So thank you very much for all of you. And if I did not say your name, I'm sorry about it, but your contribution is most valued. Ruini, thank you for your support during the year. I know it was not easy to work from home because some part of your documentation is at the society and you have to manage from home. I think you did an excellent job. Thank you very much. And last but not least, Ashan, Naomi Gayan as office bearers, and Romesh, Hiranti, Hiran Malvitigoda, Ranmali, Hiran Vikramanayaka, Raveen, and Laya. Thank you for supporting me to carry out my duties as a president for the year 2020 and 2021. Without your support, I wouldn't have been able to manage this for this during this year. Thank you very much. And I wish the incoming committee all the success and to have another successful year at PSSL. Thank you. Right, the next item in the agenda is to, here I would like to now declare all offices vacant, and I would like to appoint Mr. Romesh De Silva as the Pro Tem Chair.
Thank you, Shamini. And I'm just left me wondering who should really thank you for all the hard work that you have done. I don't know whether I'm breaking protocol, but let me thank you on behalf of the society as well as all of us in the EXCO for excellent and going through a year which was challenging and turbulent and unprecedented. So keeping the whole thing together would not have been easy. I know you had a lot of personal challenges also, but here we are, all good and well. And thank you very much. And as much as you leave the reins of PSSL today, we hope that you will be very much a live wire and a part of us to continue. I hope we have that assurance from you as you step down. Thank you. Okay, so it's almost 200 years in a couple of years since the photography, as we know, the modern type of photography that we know was invented, and our society has been in existence for 125 years, of which is, I think, a remarkable achievement for a society founded by 36 members. And I believe little would they have thought that many years hence that they would be creating a very compulsive brand in the photographic landscape in our island. I think the challenge for the present day keepers of the institution necessarily would be to preserve this aura, preserve its soul for the future. And I feel that it's more of a challenge. It's a dire obligation that we have for the future membership and the future people who would like to join our society. So it is with great pleasure that I propose the name of Mr. Hiran Vallivitigoda as the president for the ensuing year to lead our society. Now, Hiran actually is a second generation member of PSSL. His father was also a member many years ago, I think in the early 60s. We see him being a member, avid photographer using in the film era. And I think he used a Mamiya 6 RB67 because Hiran was so kind enough to give me what was left of his camera. I think the flash unit, which I really treasure very much. And thank you, Hiran, for that. And Hiran has been a part of the society since 2010. He was the president in 2017. And he has been a live wire in most of our activities. Of course, our paths crossed much before that. Hiran and me being classmates since many, many moons ago. And it is actually a great pleasure for me to propose him as the president for the ensuing year. And if there are no objections, I would like to welcome Hiran as the new president and to take the chair.
Thank you, Ramesh, for those nice words of introduction. Okay, I would like to make the following appointment from the chair. I propose Mr. Suresh Veerasurya as the Vice President of the year 2021-2022. Then I would like to propose Ms. Naomi Thomas as the Secretary for the year 2021-2022. Then I would like to propose Mr. Sandeep Ellala as the Assistant Secretary for the year 2021-2022. I would like to propose Mr. Brian Tremagay as the Treasurer for the year 2021-2022. Shamini Apurala as the immediate past president and the committee member for the year 2021 and 2022 of the chair. So then we have vacancies in the expo position. So can I have nominations for the expo, please?
I would like to nominate Mr. Ramesh De Silva for the committee.
Okay.
I would like to second.
Okay. Ramesh proposed by Diane and seconded by Shamini. And for the next vacancy.
Hiran, I would like to propose Hiran Vikramanayaka for the committee.
And I would like to second that. Ravin here, yes.
Hiran Vikramanayaka proposed by Ramesh and seconded by Ravin. And can we have another name, please?
Hiran, this is Inoka. I would like to nominate Ranmali.
Ranmali. Okay. And seconded by?
I would like to second it.
Milan,
yes.
And for the next committee member?
Yeah, I would like to propose the name of Professor Ravin Hangmella.
Okay, proposed by Suresh Veerasurya and seconded by?
I like to second Ravin for the as the committee member.
Shamini has seconded. And for the next committee member?
I'd like to propose Laya Alas as a committee member.
Okay, Mr. Hiran Vikramanayaka has proposed Mr. Laya Alas, and who will second that?
I will second Mr. Laya Alas. I'm Varuni.
Okay, Varuni Silva seconded Laya Alas membership. And the next question, committee member?
I propose Nilan Herath for the executive committee. This is Sandeep.
Proposed Nilan, and
I would like
Will
to
you second?
second that.
Sorry.
This is Ranmali.
Ranmali Virendra has seconded Milan Hira's name. Now you got that, right?
Right, got it.
So, as for the election of auditors, I propose we retain the present auditors, that is Mr. Sarta Di Costa and company chartered accountants, as the auditors of the PSSL financial year 2021. Can I have a second for that, please?
I'll second it, Hiran.
And for the company secretary position, I would like to propose to retain the present company secretary, Mrs. Adita Edrimana, as the company secretary for the year 2020 and 2021. And can we have a second for that, please?
I'm very gladly second it.
Okay, Shamini has seconded. And thank you, Adita, for your services to the society, which continuously have given. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm supposed to address you all. So first of all, let me tell you, it's an honor for me to be the president actually for the second time. To the most, I would say the most distinguished and the honorable society, not only in Sri Lanka. I think we are recognized by other world members as well. I think this was most evident. We see when we got a lot of international judges before COVID, when they came to judge our competitions, and I think we had events where our photographers went to Japan to participate in one of the Japanese competitions. So I think our tentacles have gone far and wide into the world. And if you take, I think this idea of totally credit Ramesh in the organizing of the annual competition, I think in spite of being restricted, I think we got an unprecedented number of countries and entries for the competition.
Kiran, you are breaking up. We can't hear you properly.
Hiran, yes, your voice is a little distorted.
Can you use maybe a different mic, Hiran?
Check, can you hear me? Check.
The mic is still distorting, Hiran.
Check one.
Yeah,
Still
yes,
the same.
there's a distortion.
Hold on.
Hiran, use the computer mic. I think you should not use your expensive mics.
Yeah, that's true.
Hold on. Can you hear me better?
No, it's still the same.
Nope.
Hold on. Check one.
No, it's still the same.
Kiran, I think issue is with the jack of the mic, and better you use the computer's mic, the laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have built-in mic in the lap, you can use it instead.
Hello, check one. We have to do with the executive committee, set him up with a good mic.
Hello.
Hello. Is it better?
Much better, much better.
Okay,
Thanks.
right. Okay, hold on. Right. Okay. I lost where I was as well. Can you see me or?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah, hold on. Okay. As I was saying, in spite of the pandemic, this year, I think Ramesh, the event Ramesh organized for the annual competition, we got an unprecedented number of entries, and also the number of countries which participated were also unprecedented. So, so in spite of a lockdown, this shows photography is one area people actually get involved. So I know a lot of people, I know some of our photographers also started doing macro photography in their gardens. So what other hobby can you do that? I mean, can you do golf? Can you do yacht racing or cycling? You can't. So photography is one hobby, even stationary, even if you're within 4 walls of your boundary, you can still continue your hobby, which I think is fascinating. So even if the current Delta 3 or Delta Plus or whatever continues, I'm sure we will still continue to have a massive interest in photography. So I'm very happy that if you take our current Zoom sessions, I remember Shamini telling earlier about the participation. For example, Professor Ravin Hangwella and Laya Alas, who is in Australia and Canada, are participating because of the Zoom facility. If it was a normal AGM in the annual event or wherever, it could have been extremely difficult for other people to participate. So I think we have evolved and we have invited the world to join this small pocket of society to enhance their knowledge. So that is fantastic. So, okay. Where I'm concerned, I'm not a great photographer, but I love photography. I enjoy looking at photographs. I love portraiture, since I'm a group member in Hiran's group. But one thing I would like every one of you to help remember is we are all here because of a passion for photography, whatever it is, whatever our personal lives are. So one request I would like to make of all of you, including past presidents, past committee members, heads of groups, to put all other things aside and join us as the society, for the society. I know in the society is sometimes having property issues where we are trying to sort out to get our own place rectified and get it going beautifully. So this is the time, I think, encouragement and camaraderie of all our fellow members will really benefit all of us. Committee is just an extension of the membership. That's what I think. So if you look at Secretary's presentation, you know, so many groups, they are all are not in the committee. But how was that they did such a successful job? That was because the support given by the members to the committee. So I think that is what counts. It's the key name there is passion and striving to do good for the society. So always think of the society and more than any other thing. So that is actually my thought. So I hope you will agree with me. Yeah. And outgoing President Shamini is the second lady president of the society after our very first lady president, Hiranti. So I think that is also a stepping stone, because we have both are professionals in their chosen field, and they have used their expertise of the talent they have in pushing the society forward. I think Hiranti did a wonderful job in the year of her presidency. And as all of you all saw, even in the wildlife group, she has done a fantastic job in cohesiveness in bringing the membership together. That is what I think we need. So I hope, Shamini, Hiranti, you will continue to give your best value to the society in now and for future as well, because that is how the society can go forward. So PSSL is a gender equal society. So even in our committee members, we have females, even our membership also we have females. So what I would strive to do is, with the support of all of you, to get the ball rolling and try to organize whatever that can be done possibly within the start of the confinement in the current scenario, in the COVID situation. So as some of the outdoor activities are not actually with the restrictions, it cannot be performed. So we will wait till all that clears up. But until then, I think we have done quite a number of good lectures photography, on improving your skills, and also on photos. So which has now been benefited since it's now uploaded to the YouTube. Anybody can access it. So those are some of the benefits the technological marvel has brought us. So I would like to congratulate the incoming committee for being selected and trying to going to do honorable job to the society. I am just the president to carry forward the motto of the society. I'm the head of the task force to make sure Photographic Society of Sri Lanka shines, and I can hand over the baton to the next person who comes. So with that note, I hope all of you will join to give all the support you can to the committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Viran.
Okay. This is again I have to mention about the distinction program, which has been circulated with the AGM documents, and would like to request the proposal to be adopted, as we have not received any queries on this matter. Is that okay to proceed?
I propose that that gets adopted by the society.
Okay. Naomi, please make a note.
I second that, Hiran.
Okay.
Thank you, Ram.
Have you got that?
Yes, got it.
So then on any other business, we had the announcement of Capture This 2019-2020 winners. Unfortunately, we were not able to organize the award ceremony as planned due to, as you are aware, the pandemic situation. And I think we can go ahead with the winners. Naomi, can you go ahead with the...
Yes. So let's take a few minutes to look at the Capture This multi-competition winners for the year 2019-2020. Let's first look at PSSL trophy for assignment monochrome. The bronze medal goes to S. Aruramalingam, and the silver medal goes to Geethanjali Mawalagedara, and the gold medal goes to R.H. Samarkon. PSSL trophy for assignment color, bronze medal goes to Arul Ramalingam again, silver medal to Geethanjali Mawalagedara, and the gold medal to R.H. Samarkon. PSSL trophy for open color, bronze medal to Arul Ramalingam, silver medal to Geethanjali Mawalagedara, and gold medal again to R.H. Samarkon. Boni Fernando trophy for open monochrome section, bronze medal goes to Geethanjali Mawalagedara, silver medal goes to S. Arul Ramalingam, and the gold medal to R.H. Samarkon. Let's look at the wildlife section. Bronze medal goes to K. Harry Sudarshan, silver medal goes to Nilan Herath, and the gold medal goes to Sumit Bandara. I would like if you all can join me in congratulating all the winners with a round of applause.
Well done. Sam has broken all the records, look like.
He has made good use of the pandemic.
Exactly. I think it must be a record. Am I right?
I also think so.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, he's
A tough year ahead because of the restrictions. 2021 is going to be a tough year.
Yeah.
I think if I'm not mistaken, Ravi won, right? 1 year, all the awards.
Is it? Okay, right, probably. Yes.
I think Ravi won 1 year. Yes.
Yeah.
All the categories?
Sam should take to wildlife also.
I think so. Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay. I think we have come to the end of the meeting, but I think I would like to, Inoka, can you?
Thank you, Hiran. So with that, Hiran, congratulations to you and the new committee. I'm sure we've been through a tough 2020, but I'm sure 2021 will be, you'll be able to sail through that. With the support you have from the new committee. And thank you to the outgoing committee for the wonderful job done. It was amazing to see, the work that the committee has done in one go when you see it in Naomi's slides. So with that, I'm inviting Naomi to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Inoka. On behalf of the newly elected president and the executive committee, as well as the members of the outgoing committee, I wish to thank the patron, the past presidents and the past EXCO members, and all the members of the society for your presence and participation at the PSSL AGM 2021. And we thank you again for your support and encouragement, and we look forward to your continued support in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naomi. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here today. That concludes today's proceedings. Stay safe and stay well.
Thank you, Inoka.
Thank you, Inoka. Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all. Thank you. All the best.
All the best to everyone and keep safe.
Thank you, Ramya.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.